Hey, what up YouTube? What's up Basehead? The boxes are done. That's about all I'm gonna do. Get the subs back in them. Maybe do a little design. It's a date and who made it. I put that in every box. But yeah, I'll get these put back together and put them in the room, and that'll be that. They came out pretty nice. Let these dry overnight and get them put back together. Be good to go.
You didn't do them dark. Should do them dark.
I like them light.
I know.
I can always do them dark down the road if I wanted. All you have to do is scuff them.
You need them for the room.
Yeah, I'm gonna sell them anyway, probably. Huh?
You lock it? I don't think YouTube wants to see the doors.
Yeah, I'm gonna get the fuck out of here. We went down to the store. Zeph, are you a basehead?
Huh?
Are you a basehead?
No. Here you are.
Fuck, you aren't. Say hells yeah. Dude. This is my YouTube video.
What's up?
A little late now. Mama Bear's a basehead.
Yeah.
Hells yeah. She goes way back. She's old school basehead. Anyways, we're home. I'm gonna end it with a little clip of Chewy.
Guinea pig that don't get scared of bass probably.
Yeah. Guinea pig's a basehead.
Yeah,
She loves bass. Hi Chewy.
We
love you, Beaner.
Even though he's pooping pee everywhere, I did scrub her.
Look at that little facey face. We love you, little facey face.
She thinks she has treats.
Treat. Treat. Say treat. Big head, big nose.
What's up, guys? What's up?
You want a treat? You want a treat? Yeah, you want a treat?
What's up? Can I get my labor?
Look at her face.
Baby.
She wants some snacky snack. Alright, I'm locking the house up, babe. Good night, too. Peace.